Share
So,
justice for Dilshan McLean.
get a dream about my son last night. People might feel like me sit down and me not do nothing about this. Me how much liar. Kept turn back. Nobody don't want to take my case. It's been 1 year now. Son dead 1 year now. My April the 1st last year. No justice. Not even a court date. Not even a court date. Police names them and call back, and I know nobody can call one. No. And the funeral day, police them come talk on TVJ. Oh, me I get justice for my baby, and me I get this, and me I get that, and I know it's like me caring for 9 months. Grave for 8 years. 8 long years. Still no justice. My baby is gonna live with me. In my Lord, may I have see that? Me alone live safely. No baby no come home to me back. I'll know. The woman kill the baby. I'm Colgate. What Topsy do? Speed kill him. Him get damaged him head and him neck. Him dead pan spot. If me get witness, police take statement. Them say them a do everything in manpower to help me. I'ma sit on, I go much lie, I'ma try get everything. I do even a video for Prime Minister say, and nobody don't reach out to me alone. Nobody don't reach out to me alone. Nobody don't know my pain, nobody not busy because what? Me poor, me broke, me not no money, me not come from a rich background, so me can't get no justice to my baby. Him go just dead so gone and nothing at all. And Jamaica government doesn't sit on and then buy up my case and it does done because me poor. And if girl father or whosoever fear rich and it does disappear, she have right. Alright. If she even crack on my blood pressure, if she even say him walk out on the road, you don't have a heart. If you have a child, you would have feel away if me let don't hear your child and then they'll reach out to you and even say sorry or nothing. And 1 year no, and nobody not even try to reach out to me about my child. Like me now no. Me no nobody. Oh no heart. No farmer heart. You know much sleepless night me have. You don't know much eat me can't eat. Me just I get big. You know much sick me sick. How much time my blood pressure shake me up. You know much things miss out in my life because my son gone. And I wanna mash up my life and the life me for just sit and say alright then no do nothing. You have a right to kill my son. I'm for just sit down. Make you kill him. He gone left me. But now nobody again. And you sit down with your son. And me sit down with nobody. Your mother, your father, them not no heart like you. How can you kill somebody's child and you sit down so relaxed like he was nobody. He was nobody at all to nobody. He have his mother, he have his father, he have his family. I love him and you kill him. You kill him and like him and die. You left him on the roadside to suffer and dead. You're wicked. You're heartless too. You're heartless.